everyone, welcome back to our channel. As for your request, we're going to do a home tour today. So this is our humble abode here in the Philippines. So sorry about the roosters. Um, so here is the garden set that we purchased just recently for 14,500. It looks really nice here, and we usually have our breakfast and sometimes merienda here in this area. It's absolutely useful and I really love it. So on to my left is our deck. We don't have any furnitures yet. It's not even clean yet. We're still figuring out if we're gonna keep this and how are we going to style it. So for now, it is like this, and I don't know, but we'll see, right? Like we'll figure it out something. And just a bit of history of this house. Ito yung bahay ng lolo at lola ko. So 4 years ago, binili namin to ni Alex. I'm so happy na on board yung husband ko kasi maganda yung memories ko dito nung lumalaki ako. Basta, I'm so happy na nasa family pa rin itong house na to, and i-renovate namin para mas mapaganda palalo and ma-invite ko yung mga ma-invite namin yung mga family namin na nagkaroon din ng sobrang gandang memories dito sa house na to kasi sobrang ang babait ng lolo and lola ko. So, come on inside. Here it is. I'll just put a clip here of when we purchased this 4 years ago. And what it looks like now and what will it become. Sobrang excited kami. So here's our living room here. Lahat ng furnitures dito originally from my grandfather and grandmother. So wala pa kaming dinadagdag, although nagpa-customize na ako and it will arrive soon. And over this side is our living room. Nag-celebrate si Alex dito ng birthday. First time ever province style birthday celebration. I hope you enjoyed, Alex. So if you will notice as well, medyo madumi na yung floors kasi matagal na eh. Siguro mga 50 years na siguro tong house na to or more. And yeah, so this is the credenza from my grandfather and grandmother as well. It used to have extension here, but I just wanted to be minimalist. So, pinaputol ko just recently. And yeah, madaming kailangang i-renovate. Yung mga windows, original pa, kaya makikita nyo, kulang. Kulang na kulang. So, yun. And here is our kitchen na giba na. It's really old and it's not workable anymore. Unfortunately, we still have to wait for our foreman and laborers to finish the fence and the roof prior to doing the kitchen and the washroom. So if you'll see here, this is the refrigerator that we just recently purchased. Ito lang yung bagong appliances dito and oven na hindi pa namin malagay. But they suggested that we purchase the appliances so it's easier to measure the actual kitchen that I want. So here's the washroom here. Let's not go there. Hindi talaga ako comfortable sa washroom. So, wag na lang muna nating tignan. Here's the pantry. Madaming kalat. Sobrang daming kalat. We have as I said, we have to renovate this house. It has a huge potential, 'di ba? Kaya lang, it needs work. And of course, work means money na din na kailangan naming ilabas para lang mapaganda ito. So, anyway, the dirty kitchen, let's go back here. So let's go out. Ta-da! So this is our dirty kitchen. As usual, it's a work in progress. Here's our refrigerator. My sister's refrigerator. We use it for at least 3 weeks, right? Prior to our new appliances.
We still have more leftovers
From the
birthday
party, like a couple of days ago. So we're also gonna post that on our YouTube channel. Alex first time celebrating his birthday here. So madaming nakasampay, pasensya na kayo. So here is the dirty kitchen. I don't know if you can see, but ito lang yung unang ginawa dito sa house para meron na kaming workable kitchen. So here it is. We probably try to cook here. Kakagawa lang, so sabi, wag mo nang gamitin kasi yung semento malambot pa, kailangan mo nang patigasin. And yeah, so dirty kitchen, magulo. So balik na tayo ulit sa ating house. So we're just gonna go upstairs to check the 3 rooms. It's a huge house. I know it's just the two of us, but we really want to purchase this property and we see that there's a huge potential to it. By the way, this is the gas stove that we purchased just recently along with the refrigerator. So magulo pa talaga yung house, but before and after, right? It's better to have that recorded as well. So going up, so this is the deck that I just showed you guys a while ago. Normally at night when the weather is nice, we love to stargaze. Dito naglalagay ng upuan, tapos tumitingin lang sa stars. And ang dami ng puno. I hope you guys watch the garden tour na ginawa ni Alex just recently. And tara. So sa area na to, we will try to create a Japanese style living room. Maliit lang kasi pero presko, kaya we want to hang out here. We sort of want to find spot na hindi masyadong mainit kasi sa Philippines sobrang init talaga. Alright, so first room is our master bedroom. Wala pa talagang gamit ha. So here is my closet. Hindi ko na muna ipapakita dahil sobrang gulo, pero silip lang. Tadan! So, ito yung master bedroom namin. We don't have any furnitures yet. But it's okay. Slowly na lang, diba? This is the mattress that we purchased when we arrived here in the province of Masbate. So, it's a huge room compared to regular size room here in the Philippines. Yun naman yung gusto ko kasi more of minimalist Japanese style lang naman ang ilalagay namin. This is where we're gonna lay our bedroom set, and then opposite to it would be my office kasi mahangin din sa area na yon. And medyo magulo. So we're still waiting for our boxes from Calgary, Canada. So wala kaming laundry basket, and ito muna yung lagayan namin ng mga unan, kumot. We have mosquito net kasi malamok talaga dito. I'm not sure if you guys can see on the screen, pero madami na akong kagat ng lamok. And that's why I'm wearing this, ano ba to? Pajama or pants. So yeah, ito naman yung closet ni Alex. It's nice to have hers and his closet para kung magulo, okay lang. So let's go check out room number 2. So ito sobrang haba ng hallway. So whenever my nephew is here, he loves to run back and forth. And sometimes it's too early in the morning and we still wanted to sleep. Pero dahil sobrang na-excite siya siguro na sobrang haba ng hallway, kaya takbo siya ng takbo. And you can see, when you hang out here, makikita mo yung living room, dining, and kitchen. Diba? Sobrang maaliwalas. So, ito yung gusto ko dito. Like, maganda tumambay, kita din yung labas. So, room number 2. And, of course, magulo ulit. This is where my mother or my sisters stay kung nandito sila. Usually, I invite them over pag weekends every other week para, ewan ko, masaya lang. And Alex like having them naman around every other weekend. Mapupunan nyo, meron tayong palanggana dito. Kasi gagawin yung roof dahil pag umulan, sobrang tumutulo yung bahay. Makikita nyo sa ceiling, oh. 'Di ba? Kaya, madaming work, pero it's doable naman, no, Lex? Kaya
Yeah.
naman.
We're just gonna lots of renovations for sure, but
Yeah.
it's all work in progress. But we're definitely glad to be here, and we're gonna be gradually working on making things better.
Yes. So the plan for the second room is to be our entertainment area. This is where we're gonna put our sofa bed and then some TV or projector here. We have projector, so we're probably gonna place it on this side so we can watch from that angle. So it has a big potential, right? It's just a matter of time and work. So let's go check out the room number 3. All right, so room number 3 is, this is where I sleep when I visit my lola and my lolo back then. Come on, let's check it out. Ayan, ang dumi-dumi pa ng, ng mga windows kasi akala ko walang matutulog dito, but natulog pala din yung mga ate ko dahil madami na kami nung nag-birthday si Alex. So, maliit pa ako neto kaya hindi ko pa ma-remember talaga na maliit lang pala tong room. So, my cousins and I usually sleep here, tapos wala, pag weekends din, nandito din ako. Masaya lang. Our plan is to have built-in customized beds para ma-accommodate yung 2 families when they visit. And yeah, so yun ang room number 3. And you can see from here, there's Manoy Marichu. He's currently helping out with the fence and roof soon. So we can really depend on him. So yeah, Manoy Marichu has been helping the family for quite a while now. Siguro mga more than a decade na din. So, ito ipapa-fix din namin. Sirang-sira na. And wala na din dito sa kabila. So, usually pag may bagyo, sinasara to like this, pero hindi na siya masara din ngayon. Ipapa-fix na lang namin. But yeah, At least kita mo sa likod kung anong nangyayari, 'di ba? So we really like this place. Kaya excited kami and hopefully you guys are excited too na sa pag-renovate. Anyway, hindi pa pala tapos. Let's go back to the main entrance. So I forgot to show you guys one room, which is Alex's office in the future. So for now, it's a storage room where we store all the junk. And yeah, temporarily. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed our home tour. So as you guys can see, ito yung tinitirhan muna namin while we wait for the renovations. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Until next time, bye!